say they help me. Remember living in LA, got bills to pay, my mama stressing. Hey, she moved and bossed it up, cause being broke just ain't accepted.
What's good, YouTube? I am back with another video, and today we are going to be... I don't even know what we're going to do. Well, I know what I'm going to be doing, but... Man... How y'all would trying to watch me put my shoe boxes up, like, on my wall and stuff? Because look, I'm about to show you where I had them. I had my shoe boxes up here. Or whatnot, but... see, I got some more in the corner. Over here, but I don't really... Alright, well, my bad, I just got a message, but, yeah, so, y'all want to watch me put my shoes on the wall? So, basically, you're going to need tacks. You can get them for $1, like, deals, not Dollar Tree, like, deals or something. You can get them for $1. Then, yeah, pretty much. Then, you take all the paper out the bags. All the paper out the boxes. What are you gonna do with it? Don't know. You can throw it away. You can use it for wrapping paper. I don't know. You pick and choose what you want to do with it. I have no control over that. But I'm gonna lay y'all down. But for like every box, you need like 5 or 6 tacks. Or I don't know. I'm about to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna do 6. Just in case. Other people like doing 5 or whatnot, but I don't know. Now I'm about to put y'all. I got these in my hand. I can't close my hand. Hold on, y'all. Let's see. I gotta set these tacks down. Almost fell. Alright, but alright. Let's see. Put them on this wall over there. Alright, so basically, I'm about to put this thing to stay closed. I'm about to set these up here. Hold on, y'all. But okay, yep, see, it starts to tilt, but it's okay. That's perfectly fine. Then you put another one right there. I think Mike too just might do the job, guys. About to see something. 2 might just do the job. Well, 2 did the job. But yeah, now I'm just about to do my other shoes. Remember, take the stuff out the box. All right, well, I'm gonna do 4, y'all. I'm just gonna do 4 because it's safer. It's definitely safer. How'd that look? Good? Good. Yeah, it's a mess over in my corner, but I'm about to clean that up, y'all. I'm about to see if I could lower y'all down. So we just I don't got to stand on my tippy toes. I want to put them 2 down like this, or I'm about to put some on this wall too. I'm gonna put them like, that's what I'm gonna do. Remember, y'all, take the wrapper out. Oh wow, y'all! I just lost one. If I step on it, I know I found it. But I'm about to put these 2 right here. I'm about to put 3 of them right there. Cause I only need 1 at a time. You heard? Oh, it almost fell, y'all. Then I don't know why. It's just a habit. I put the left shoe in the box. Hold on, I'm about to see if I can show y'all. Whoa, it fell, guys. It fell. But, see. Yeah, like I was saying, it's a habit for me to put the left shoe in and the right shoe on top. Right shoe on top. It's 4. Remember, y'all. Take the paper out. Okay, I am so sorry, guys. I got a phone call. Kind of important, kind of not. It was important. I'm gonna say it was important. But, yeah, basically that's the video, bro. I'll show y'all the end product when I get done. But right now, I'm about to listen to music, so yeah, I don't want y'all to have to sit here and just watch me. But I think I get the basics, though. I'm gonna show y'all when I get done. Okay, good. All right, y'all, YouTube. I kind of waited late to do this outro, but that's the video. But I want y'all to remember always remember what you do is not enough. Continue to do more. Go above and beyond. You feel me? Don't let somebody else put you down. Don't just stop because I don't know. Just grind. Just do your own thing. Honestly, just rise above the rest. You feel me? Just do better. But yeah, if you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also you need to turn on post notifications because some of y'all, I mean, I pray and hope that y'all are really a fan base, but y'all not really probably a fan base right now because yeah. But that's about it, y'all. Just grind. Just keep doing you. Go above and beyond. You feel me? But I lost my train of thought. I don't know, but yeah, just like, comment, subscribe, y'all, and I love y'all. Peace.
All right.